This is the Infinix 030 5G. So I'm going to do unboxing and review of this smartphone now. But before we proceed, give me a favor. Subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video like this one. First of all, let's start with the unboxing experience. Opening the box, you will see the phone. Digging into the box, you're gonna see the SIM rejector 2, TPU case, USB Type-C cable and earphone with 68-watt fast charger to charge up this smartphone from 0 to 100% in 48 minutes. Wow, that is incredible. The next aspect of this device is the display quality. For the display, you get a 6.78 Full HD AMOLED with a 144 Hz refresh rate. That makes the display to run totally smooth. Color of the screen is super bright. It peaks a total brightness of 950 nits. Comparing the refresh rate, I can't see the difference. The Infinix animation is just a tiny bit smoother. The touch sample rate is also fast as 360 Hz. Now check out how slim the bezel are. It has a screen to body ratio of 92%. Consuming content with this device is super bright. Playing game with this device, I don't have any issue with this device. Everything runs pretty good smooth. As for the battery, this phone came with 5000 mAh battery capacity, which can keep running for a long time. This device lasts a full day of regular use, both for heavy and large users. This smartphone is running on Android 13, SOS version 13.1.0, and it is stable with no issue at all. And as for the price experience, the Infinix 030 5G goes around $300 to $330, which is equivalent to 290,000 to 350,000 naira. Another aspect where the 030 5G shines is the camera. It features 50 megapixel selfie camera, capturing video in 4K 50 frames per second. Another aspect is that this phone was powered by Dimensity 820 processor, which can allow you to do whatever thing you want to do with it. And as for the main camera, it comes with 108 MP megapixel main camera. Coming to my conclusion, if you are buying this phone because of camera, battery and processor, I might say that it's not a bad idea for you to go for it, because creating content with this device is perfectly smooth. So thanks for watching. If you find this video valuable and the effort we make when doing this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.